Welcome to Voice Story Time!
Hey guys, Racy Time here. Today I'm going to show you my schleich farm world. Here's the tractor bringing some cows. We're gonna put some of the cows in the red barn and in the field. Let's put the mama cow and her baby in the barn. Then let's put the rest of the cows in the enclosure. Here is a tractor putting a big hay on the rack. The cows are munching hay from the feeding rack. Next, we're going to brush up the cow. Brushing keeps the cow healthy and happy. Here's the tractor bringing some hay bales. Let's put the hay on the loft using the elevator. Now let's move some of the hay bales to the other side. Since the cows are hungry, let's give them some hay. The sheep and the goats have arrived. Let's put them in the barn. Now let's give them some hay. the rest of the sheep. They're staying outside. Here is a carrot. The horses have arrived. Here's also a donkey, alpaca, and a pony. Oh, there's a pig rooting on the ground. Here's also a baby piglet and some mini pigs. Oh, they look so cute. Now let's feed them apples. Let's check out the chicken coop. I see 2 roosters. I also see 2 chicks and 2 hens. Ooh, there's a nest with eggs. Let's see the rabbit hutch. Let's open it. There they are. Here are the rabbits. I'm gonna give them some carrots. It's time to get the feed from the silo. Then let's give the feed to the cows. Here's a dog playing fetch with sticks. Here's another dog playing frisbee. Here's a goose. Oh, she's got a friend. see hedgehogs. Here's a squirrel. Here's a baby squirrel. She's feeding her baby some seeds. Here's a cat. Here's another cat. They're friends. Here's a truck again, and this time it's bringing some water for the cows. Now it's time to milk the cow. Let's use the milking machine. The truck is going to bring the milk to town. Okay, well, if you guys have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which animal is your favorite in this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Ray's Daytime channel and also click that bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. And before you go, click on those videos on the screen to watch more fun videos here on Ray's Daytime channel. Thank you for watching.